Alright, let's solve this question together in this video. Three numbers form a GP. If the first and third numbers are 5 and 245 respectively. Alright, so we have three terms here. Okay, the first term, we have term 1, we have the second term, then we have the third term. Okay, alright, so we're given that the first term, and of course the first term is also a, right, because the end term of a GP is given as AR raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so the first term, in the first term n is 1, alright, so that will give us AR raised to 1 minus 1, which is AR 0. Okay, R raised to 0 is 1, so the first term is always A. Okay, so the first term from the question, the first term is 5. Alright, and the third term is 245. The third term is given as AR raised to n minus 1, that's 3 minus 1, 2. So AR2 is given as 245. Okay, so we have to find two possible values for the middle number, that's the second term. Okay, so the question is telling us that there are two possible values that can take on the second term, and we have to figure that out. All right, so we have two equations here, this one and this 2. Okay, so dividing equation 2 by 1 would be AR square divided by A equals 245 divided by 5. All right, so A takes off A, then 5 reduces 245 to 2 into 24 is 4, remaining 4, and 45 is 9. Okay, so we have R square equals 49, then you take the square root of both sides. The square root of 49 is, we have R equals the square root, you introduce plus or minus of 49, so we have R to be plus or minus 7. So now that we know the common ratio to be plus or minus 7, so we can figure the two possible values. Alright, using AR square equals, or using T2, okay, the second term, okay, is AR, right? Okay, so the first term here is 5 multiplying, when R is minus 7, okay, when R is minus 7, so T2, the second term, so 5 multiplying minus 7 to give minus 35. Then when R equals 7, the second term will be 5 multiplying 7 to give 35. So the two possible values are negative 35 and positive 35. See you guys in the next video. Bye.